What we were looking for is a machine that is able to run high quantity volumes, ideally fully robotized, that we are able to run with minimum labor support. We were looking for higher capacity. Well, that is what Unilogo was able to offer. It runs consistently, and that's also something we were looking for. And it's fascinating to watch the robotized parts of the machine. It's hypnotizing kind of. On typical conventional lines, it's rather difficult to change production from one packaging format to the other format. With the Unilogo line, we are able to 3D print all the formats in-house ourselves, based on the drawings that we receive from the Unilogo team. So we are able to program the different packaging formats ourselves in the system. If I had to describe Unilogo in 3 words, it would be quality, flexibility and extra capacity.